Let's talk about money. Because school taught you how to solve for X, but not how to stop your bank account from looking like yikes. Raise your hand if you ever stared at your paycheck and thought, wait, where did it all go? Yeah, same. Here's the thing, you're not bad with money. You were just never taught the rules. School skipped the important stuff. Like, why do we know mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, but not how to avoid credit card debt? You work hard, you earn cash, and poof, it's all gone. Maybe you tried budgeting apps. Maybe you've sworn off coffee, but it's not working. Why? Because nobody warned you about the real enemies. Like the subscription you forgot about. Or that one friend who's always like, let's get brunch. But don't panic. Today, we are fixing this. 10 rules. No jargon. No spreadsheets. Just stuff that actually works. Let's go. So why does money feel so messy? Because schools treat personal finance like a secret. They'll teach you to balance chemical equations, but not how to balance your budget. And here's why that's a problem. Money isn't just math. It's freedom. It's choices. Like being able to quit a job you hate. Or finally fixing the check engine light. But you can't fix what you don't understand. So let's simplify this with the money GPS. Think of your finances as a road trip. If you don't know where you're going, you'll just drive in circles. If you ignore potholes, you'll blow a tire. And if you don't check the gas gauge, well, you've met adulthood. Here's how it works. Goals are your destination. For example, save $1,000 or stop eating ramen every night. Priorities are your route. What matters most, Netflix or emergency savings? Spending leaks are your potholes. Those sneaky $10 charges that add up to, wait, how much? Science even agrees. People who track their spending save twice as much. So grab your imaginary roadmap. Let's fix this ride. Rule number 1. The latte lie is a lie. People love to say, skip coffee, get rich. But here's the truth. Your $5 latte isn't the problem. It's the invisible stuff. Like the streaming service you forgot to pay for. Or that app you downloaded in 2022 and never opened. Fix this. Do a subscription autopsy. Cancel one thing you don't use. If you're still paying for HBO Max to rewatch Game of Thrones, let it go. Rule number 2. Befriend future you. Imagine future you sipping coconut water on a beach, not crying over bills. Start a pay yourself first habit. Even $20 a month adds up. Pro tip. Open a separate savings account and name it something dramatic. Do not touch unless the world is ending. Rule number 3. Credit cards. Frenemies. Credit cards aren't evil. Swiping like you're Elon Musk? That's evil. Use them for points and cashback, but pretend it's a debit card. If you can't pay it off today, don't buy it. Exception, real emergencies. Like your dog eating a Lego. Not emergency concert tickets for Taylor Swift. You'll survive missing Antihero Live. Rule number 4. The 24-hour rule. Ever bought something shiny and instantly regretted it? Same. Here's the fix. See something you need? Wait 24 hours. If you still want it, ask, will this matter in 5 years? Spoiler, that neon sign that says Pizza Queen won't. But a good mattress? Yes. Your back will thank you. To take this another step further, you can treat a 24-hour rule like my friend Bob does. For every $100 that something costs, Bob waits one whole day. Let's say Bob wants to buy a TV for $500. That's 5 days of thinking time. And guess what? Half the time, Bob forgets he even wanted it. Be like Bob. Let your impulse brain cool off. Your wallet will throw you a parade. Rule number 5. Money dates. No, this isn't Tinder. It's better. Once a week, spend 15 minutes with your money. Check your accounts, pay bills, yell at yourself from the past for buying that inflatable dinosaur costume. Make it fun. Play music, light a candle, pretend you're in a spy movie reviewing top secret financial intel. Bonus, set up auto payments. Future you will high five present you. Rule number 6. Stop letting FOMO drain your wallet. Your friends might want fancy brunches, concerts, or trips. But if your bank account's screaming no, it's okay to say no. You don't need to explain yourself. I can't afford it right now is more than enough. Instead, suggest free or cheap hangouts. Picnic in the park, game night, or just hanging out at home. And if your friends pressure you, remember, real friends won't guilt trip you into debt. On a side note, the words treat yourself are like a birthday cake. Great once in a while, but terrible as a daily habit. Save it for when you actually deserve it. Rule number 7. Your side hustle is your superpower. You don't need to code apps or sell kidneys. Start small. Got old clothes? Sell them. Know how to make Excel formulas? Charge. Babysit. Walk dogs. Teach your grandma's book club TikTok dances. Even $50 a month adds up. That's $600 a year. Enough for a flight to Mexico or a really fancy pizza. Pro tip? List your skills. Can you bake? Tutor? Take photos of cats? Boom, side hustle. And no, professional nap taker doesn't count. Unless you're a cat. Rule number 8. Automate like a robot. Humans forget. Robots don't. Set up 3 things today. Auto transfer to savings. Even $10 a week. Auto pay bills. No more late fees. Auto invest. If you're brave, try apps like Acorns. They round up your purchases and invest spare change. You'll save money while binge watching Netflix. Win-win. Rule number 9. Cheap thrills beat expensive boredom. Fancy dinners? Overrated. Science says happiness peaks at 3 tacos and wine. Prioritize experiences. Go hiking. Have a bad movie night with friends. But what about stuff? Here's the rule. If it won't matter in a year, skip it. The $300 jacket? Cute. But will it spark joy next year? Or just collect dust? Exception. A good mattress. Or a working laptop. Or anything that stops your life from falling apart. Invest in those. The rest? Cheap thrills, baby. Rule number 10. Your net worth is not your self-worth. Money is a tool, not a scorecard. Warren Buffett eats McDonald's. Oprah loves a good sweatpants day. Jeff Bezos wears dad jeans. You're allowed to be a work in progress. Feeling broke doesn't make you broken. Comparing yourself to Instagram millionaires is like comparing your life to a movie trailer. Not real. Focus on your own race. Now, here's your homework. Pick one rule. Just one. Try it this week. Cancel a subscription, have a money date, say no to brunch. Small steps beat grand plans. And tell me your pick in the comments. Let's start a support group. No shame here. If this helped, smash that subscribe button. I'll keep sharing tips that don't require a finance degree or a personal transplant. Deal? Remember, money doesn't have to suck. You're not bad at adulting. You just never got the manual. These rules aren't about perfection. They're about progress. So go. Cancel that subscription. Hug your savings account. And maybe, just maybe, buy the latte. You've earned it. Thanks for watching. If you're still here, You are awesome. Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and go forth. Be mildly responsible. Then go pet a dog, or a cat, or a llama. Whatever fuels your soul. Bye!